Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are bringing you to a community called Lake Apopka Sound in Winter Garden, Florida. Nestled between the picturesque towns of Winter Garden and Claremont, Lake Apopka Sound is a community that offers an idyllic setting with direct access to major transportation routes, making it a prime location for those seeking convenience and tranquility. With a host of nearby recreational activities, charming downtown areas, and a range of luxurious homes, Lake Apopka Sound truly embodies the best of Florida living. Lake Apopka Sound has an amazing selection of trendiest floor plans, offering 3 to 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, along with a spacious 3-car garage. One really cool thing about this property is that each lot is at least a quarter acre minimum. It's all about that extra space and freedom to make it your own. These stunning homes feature sleek granite countertops, top-of-the-line Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, and solid concrete block construction. Plus, you'll love the home's connected smart home technology. This cutting-edge system revolutionizes the way you interact with your home, adding a whole new level of convenience, comfort, and control to your everyday life. With Home is Connected, your home becomes a connected ecosystem that adapts to your needs and preferences. So imagine arriving home after a long day and having the ability to adjust the thermostat to the perfect temperature before even stepping inside your home. With a simple tap on your smartphone or a voice command to your smart assistant, you can set the ambiance just the way you like it. You can also control the lighting, home security, and seamlessly integrate other smart devices. Within a mile from the community lies West Orange Trail Bikes and Blades, a recreational hub that offers bike rentals. Families can leisurely explore the renowned West Orange Trail, which spans an impressive 22 miles, providing ample opportunities for outdoor recreation and enjoying the beautiful Florida scenery. Lake Apopka Sound is also located about 25 minutes from Disney World, 33 minutes from Orlando International Airport, and 25 minutes from downtown Orlando. Lake Apopka Sound offers an extensive selection of both 1-story and 2-story home plans, catering to diverse preferences and lifestyles. Families with children will particularly value the exceptional schools available in the area. Students residing in Lake Apopka Sound have the privilege of attending Grassy Lake Elementary, which is 4.9 miles away, East Ridge Middle School, 4 miles away, and Lake Minneola High School, 4.2 miles away. So this ensures that your little ones will receive quality education. Lake Apopka Sound in Winter Garden, Florida offers exceptional 1- and 2-story housing options. The one we'll be touring today is called the Robinson. This single-story home, built entirely with concrete blocks, is thoughtfully designed to optimize living space and embrace an open concept. Priced at $555,990, this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,108 square foot, 1-story home presents an ideal opportunity for comfortable and contemporary living. Inside, you'll find 2 guest bedrooms, a guest bathroom with double vanity sinks, and a versatile 4th bedroom near the garage entrance. The well-appointed kitchen overlooks the living area and dining room, featuring a granite island, spacious pantry, and stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. Retreat to the peaceful owner suite with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I will provide you with additional information regarding the prices, incentives, and exclusive offers available in this community.
Alright, here's the first bedroom. This is not bad. This room is pretty spacious. Ceilings are pretty high. I would say about 9 to 10 feet. Really love this B-bar style. doors are amazing. This little closet right here is very deep. Flooring is nice. This is great for guests coming in. And now we're at the second bedroom. And a pretty decent size too as well. That's what we have looking out the window. Oh, wow. Shower. Gotta step down. Oops. And I gotta step down. It's pretty decent. These floors are nice too as well. And then here is the third bedroom, or I have it as an office. Say these rooms are pretty spacious right here. There's a lot that you can do with them, and I really love the ceilings. Alright, so here's the washer dryer. The washer and dryer is not included. But that's the only appliance that is not included with the home. Let's check out the kitchen. This kitchen is very beautiful, white cabinets. Very nice pantry. Walk-in pantry. Whirlpool appliances. And remember that appliances are included. The craftsmanship on these. A very nice dining room. Look in the yard. right, here is the master bedroom. Master bedroom. There's the tray ceilings. This is very spacious, guys. You got the vanity, little sinks. Deep tub. And a pretty spacious walk-in shower. And then
To schedule a private showing of this beautiful community or any questions, please feel free to call or text me at 407-490-3694. I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching the video. Now let's dive into the exciting incentives and exclusive offers available at Lake Apopka Sound without any further delay. To start, DR Horton is offering a generous $10,000 in closing cost concessions. In addition of enjoying the benefit of a quarter-acre lot, you'll also enjoy a low HOA fee of just $70 with no CDD fees to worry about. Currently, there's a special deal on the Robinson model, which is located adjacent to Lake Apopka. You can move into this stunning home for $580,490 with a 5.5% interest rate if you're using a VA loan, or 5.75% with a conventional loan. Another remarkable home at Lake Apopka Sound is the Camden. Although it was still under construction during my tour, I'll make sure to capture a video of it once it's complete. The Camden is a one-story home that features a unique mother-in-law suite with a separate entrance, adding a touch of versatility and convenience to the living experience. I know a lot of people have been asking me about having their families in. So this one is, I think, a very unique one that could really be a benefit for some of you. So I'll make sure to have that recorded too as well. All right, guys. So to schedule a private showing of this beautiful community or any questions, please feel free to call or text at 407-490-3694. I'll see you soon.